Boys, we got about 1 or 2 weeks left of summer. You already know what that means, boys. Hot girl summer is over. And now, now it's cuffing season. See, now it's when they want to lock down a guy for these winter months. But no. Now it's host season for the boys. This is when you're going to reject her first. This is when we're going to be flipping the script. Don't you dare settle down. Don't you dare give her what she wants. See, she's just done giving all the dudes in her DMs attention, and now she wants something. No. See, now this is when you reject her. See, now is when you realize, yo, this girl was never worth it. This is when you reject her. Matter of fact, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why rejecting her first will be beneficial. Number 1, it shows willpower. So many dudes are so okay with letting women getting away with whatever they want to do, and they simp so much over a girl that once a girl gives them a little bit of attention, even though she's been neglecting you for like the past year, you'll still forgive her and take her back. See, we are no longer about that because you are a man. And as a man, you have to have standards. And if those standards aren't met, yo, gotta go. And by the way, when I talk about rejection, I'm not literally telling for you to say it to her face like, yo, I don't like you. But no, it's just not giving her attention, not following along when she's trying to reach you out, or more importantly, in your mind, just completely reject her, leave her in the past, move on to bigger and better things. Those are all forms of rejection. Number 2, it shows that you're working on yourself. Look, we just don't have time for this. It's winter, which means that you're probably hibernating in the shop, and you're building this insane physique under that hoodie. See, you're cooking. You're also building up your confidence and your charisma and your connections. You're also building up your wardrobe. You're also fixing your grooming. See, winter season is cooking season. This is when we start developing, we start morphing, because once summer hits again, my guy, you are going to be top tier. Now, to do that, you do need to start implementing some of those routines into your life to start developing yourself. So yeah, reject her and instead show, yo, this is me time. This is me working on myself time. Matter of fact, October 16 will be you time. See, October 16, we're dropping our new body scrubber, Firm Heat Grooming. You already know, when it comes to heat, we develop products that other brands aren't doing. See, the problem is most brands aren't developing good tools for guys to keep up their grooming routine, to actually develop those habits to look better. So with Heat, we started our company to start developing those masculine tools that you can have in your bathroom that'll look sexy, but also will make you look sexy. Well, this October 16th, 10 a.m. Eastern, we're about like 10 days away. If I were you, I'd put a reminder on your phone. We're dropping 2 powerful products. 1, it'll be our body scrubber. This body scrubber is made out of silicone in the same material of our facial scrubber that sells out almost immediately. Well, this body scrubber will replace your loofah, your towel, whatever it is that you shower with. See, with this, you'll never have to replace it. Your towel and your loofah, you should be replacing that every 2 to 3 months. This, you never have to. And the silicone little bristles are more efficient at cleansing the skin, clearing out the dirt from the pores, and also removing the dead skin cells. Every time you shower with this thing, you step out with softer, silkier skin, and also minimize any body acne you might be dealing with. I'm telling you, this thing might be the secret sauce to having perfect, flawless skin. Skin that she's gonna wish you could touch, but since it's rejecting season, she ain't gonna get that chance. Boys, on top of that, we're also dropping our derma roller. See, a derma roller is one of those powerful tools I think every dude needs in their bathroom. Not only can it build up the skin to get you that flawless looking skin, proven scientifically, it can also, scientifically proven, grow your beard. See, the way a derma roller works is that it has a bunch of little needles. Those little needles create micro punctures on your skin that improve blood flow, increase blood circulation, which also increases the collagen, and it starts the production of new skin cells. It also stimulates hair growth. So it's basically a 2-in-1 that should be in every man's closet. Well, those 2 products, yeah, they're dropping October 16, 10 a.m. Eastern. I don't want you to miss it. Number 3, it just shows you got options. Look, we aren't out here simping. We got plenty of girlfriends to talk to, and if, as I'm saying that, you're thinking, Jose, I got nobody to talk to, well then, you can get plenty of girlfriends to talk to. Do you know how many dating apps out there? There's probably like 30, 40 good dating apps out there. You should have a profile on each and every one of them. You know how many girls you'll find on TikTok and on Instagram? Yeah, millions of them. At least 1,000 of them around in your area. My guy, if you're not hitting those girls up in DMs, if you're not trying to connect with these girls on dating apps and start dates to start building up your confidence, especially when it comes to talking to girls, you're missing out. But once you start doing that, you start realizing that one girl, yeah, she wasn't all that. Number 4, it just changes the narrative. Look, I think it's the number somewhere around 70% of women say that they'll never reach out to a guy first. I think it's time to make them start reaching out to us. Like, yo, we put our necks on the cutting board every single time just to get rejected. As a matter of fact, some girls find that hilarious. They'll make fun of you in their Snapchats to their own friends, or when they are with their own friends, like, oh yeah, you know Bobby, yeah, he reached out to me. He's so cute. Bro, I don't want any girl to be calling you cute. But here's the interesting part. I was really thinking about it, and the truth is that girls do actually approach us. The thing is that they're not as direct as us. See, we're straightforward. Like, you'll literally go up to a girl and be like, yo, let's hang out. Girls will never do that. Instead, they'll beat around the bush, right? They'll DM you about how cute your puppy is. They'll text you first here and there. They'll try to hang out wherever you're hanging out. They'll do these subliminal things that in their head, they think it's obvious that they're trying to reach out and tell you like, yo, I like you. Well, I need you to start thinking deep. And I promise you, if you do, you're going to start realizing there's a lot of girls exhibiting this nature around you. If they are, they're basically putting themselves out there for you to take them on. Now, you can choose out of those girls and choose which ones you want and which ones you're going to reject. And finally, number 5, it gives you time to test. Right? You got to put some road miles. You got to see what you like. See, when I tell you to reject them, I'm not telling you to not have fun with them. No. Go out on a date, connect, get to know the person. But do not give them the exclusivity that they're looking for. Relax, not yet. See, 1, it shows a little too much desperation. And 2, it gives you time to test the waters. It gives you time to see what other talent is out there that might be a better match for you. Again, rejection doesn't necessarily mean you telling the girl, I don't like you. It's just you not giving the girl exactly what she wants right now, which for right now, she might want exclusivity, and you're not giving that. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget our Heat Grooming launch is launching October 16, 10 a.m. Eastern. You don't want to miss it. That's it from me today. See you next time.